Hello, hello. ඉතින් අද අපි මේ වීඩියෝ එකකින් ඉදිරිපත් කරන්නේ අපි මේ කෑම කන වෙලාවට ඒ කියන්නේ මීල් එකක් ගන්නකොට අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් පුංචි දේවල් පහක් පිළිබඳව ලස්සන දේවල් පහක් පිළිබඳව idiomatic expressions basically. හැබැයි එක දෙයක් කියන්න ඕනි. අපිට වැඩිපුර සිංහල ඇහෙන හින්දා තමයි වැඩිපුර ඉංග්‍රීසි බැරි වෙන්නේ කතා කරන්න මං කියන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒකින්ද මේකෙදී අපි conversations වලට යනවා පුංචි dialogues කීපයකට යනවා. හැබැයි ඉතින් වැඩිපුර හිතලා ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන තැනකට තල්ලු වෙලා ඔබ දකින්න ඕනි මිනිස්සු හිතලා ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරනවා. ඉතින් ඒකින්ද එතෙන්ට ඔබ තල්ලු කරන්න මේකෙදී වැඩිපුර ඔබට ඇහෙන ඉංග්‍රීසි හැබැයි නොතේරී යන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද සිංහලත් චුට්ටක් පාවිච්චි කරන හින්දා. හොඳයි? හරි. එවනම් අපි යම් වීඩියෝ එකට බලමු එන පළවෙනි දේ මොකක්ද අපිට කෑම කනකොට අපි කියන්න ඉඩ තියෙන ලස්සන පළවෙනි දේ මොකක්ද? අපි යමු. I'm starving. What is that? Yeah, shall we go to dialogues first so you will understand it perfectly? Hey, are you okay? Yeah, but I'm starving. Same here. Miteka here. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast. Yeah, after breakfast, I had nothing. I didn't eat anything after breakfast. That is what he says. Maybe we should eat soon. Yeah. Shall we eat something? We should eat soon. Yeah. So I'm really, really hungry. Definitely. Sure. Why not? Yeah. That is the idea. Hey, are you okay? You understand what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, but I'm starving. Second one says, the B says, same here. First one again says, same here. Ah. Because this guy says, I'm starving. That is, he's really hungry. And I haven't eaten anything since breakfast. The second one says again. Second one, the guy B has not eaten anything after breakfast. Maybe at the time is 11 o'clock or so, probably. Yeah. Then we should eat soon. Yeah, first one said yes. Then we should eat soon. Definitely. Yeah, why not? We have to eat that. So, I'm starving. Very hungry. I'm starving is very hungry. You can say I'm hungry. I'm hungry is normal. Normally I'm hungry. When time comes around 1 o'clock or so, we are really hungry. But there are times that we feel really, really hungry. That is very hungry. And we can say, I'm starving. So good art. පරිගුණාම අපි I'm starving කියන starving කියන්නේ නිරාහාරව ඉන්නවා කියන වගේ එකක්. මම ඉන්නේ නිරාහාරව. එහෙම කියපුවාම බඩගින්න වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. That is the thing. That is I'm not going to explain things in Sinhala that much. So you should listen to English language here. That is it. Shall we go to the second one? I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. What is I could eat a horse? You know what horse is? Horse, donkeys, yeah, bulls or whatever animals, yeah, good. You have the idea, very idea about animals. But what is horse? You know what horse is? Horse is, yeah. Even if you give me a plate of food the size of a horse, I would eat it. That is the thing. You can see the picture, yeah. I'm extremely hungry. Do you want? Yeah, I'm extremely hungry. The meaning is I'm extremely hungry. Really hungry, very hungry. I'm extremely hungry. Do you want just tea? A asks. B. Do you want just tea? Devidradoni? Yeah. Tea? No way. I could eat a horse. No way. I don't want tea. No way. It is not the thing that I want, but I want. Yeah. I could eat a horse. That is, I'm so hungry. That hungry? That hungry? Oh, absolutely. I skipped lunch. Skip. Did not take. I skipped lunch. You understand the conversation, I think, yeah. Do you want just tea? The first guy asks, he needs tea, only tea, I mean, yeah. Tea, no way. It is not the thing. Yeah. I could eat a horse. I'm really hungry. I'm extremely hungry. Yeah, I could eat a horse means extremely hungry. That hungry, you're so hungry. Yeah, that hungry means you're so hungry. Yeah, that is it. That is the thing. That beautiful. Is she that beautiful? Is it that good? Is the lecture is so interesting? But the lecture is today's lecture is really interesting. Oh, yeah, really? It is that interesting. It's interesting that. It's that, yeah, that hungry. Absolutely, really. Why not? Yeah, I could eat. It is not literal. Yeah, nobody eats a horse. You understand, right? Nobody can eat a horse. English uses things exaggerated. English uses exaggeration. Exaggeration, so that is the thing. So therefore, I could eat a horse. If you are really, really hungry, very hungry, extremely hungry, you can say, I could eat a horse. Yeah. Shall we go to the third one? This is really filling. Can you see this? Yeah, really a big thing. Yeah, or do. It's really, really big. It is really filling. You understand? It fills my stomach soon. Yeah, that is what he says. Yeah, this is really filling. This food makes you feel full quickly. This is really filling. This food makes you full quickly. It will make you full quickly. If you eat this, it will make you full. Oh, I cannot eat more. Something like that. So, shall we go to the conversation? The dialogues. How is the cup too? Really good. Is it heavy? Yeah. This is really filling. Oh, I can't even finish it. Yeah, I can't even finish it. So, it is so big that. So, what is that conversation? How is the kottu? Someone wants to know whether kottu is good. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they have eaten kottu A and B. Then he wants to know whether it is really good for, the guy B. The guy B says, really good. You understand, right? Is it heavy? It is really big. First one asks. Yeah. This is really filling. Yeah, this is really filling. Really filling. Really filling is it makes my stomach full. Yeah. Yeah, this is really filling. I can't even finish it. I can't even finish it. It is so big that I have to leave one part. I'm not eating one part of it. It is really filling. Is it clear? Yeah. You understand? So I'm using English language because I'm not thinking about grammar, I'm not thinking about phrases, words, patterns, or whatever it is because I have the flow. Naturally, the words come to me. So why? We are fluent in this language. So therefore, if you want to be fluent, we did it listening to English language, total English. So if you are not going to listen to total English like this, you will remain the same, speaking singular. Clear? Shall we go to the fourth one? Shall we grab something to eat? Shall we grab something to eat? Shall we grab something to eat? Grab. What is grab? Taking with the hand. Grab the mouse. Grab a beer. Yeah. Shall we grab a beer? People say at a party. Grab means basically usually go and get food. Go and get something, grab. Not grabbing. Go and get something, go and get food. Yeah, that is the idea, very idea. Yeah. Shall we grab something to eat? Really hungry, shall we grab something to eat? Says. Yeah. Shall we go eat something? The meaning is, shall we go eat something? That is the thing. Yeah. Conversation. Are you free after class? In the class, probably there are two students, most probably in the class. Then the one says, are you free after class? Yeah, why? Yes, I'm free. Why? What is the reason? Shall we grab something to eat? Shall we grab something to eat? That means, shall we go eat something? Yeah. Go to a restaurant or somewhere, a hotel, to have something, maybe somewhere near the class. Shall you grab something to eat? Sure. I haven't eaten since morning. Maybe they have come to this class in the morning and he has not eaten anything from the morning. Yeah. So therefore, he likes the idea. So therefore, that is the reason why he says sure. Sure means you confirm that. You say yes. You say okay. Yeah. Grab something to eat. That is grab some, not grab something. Grab something to eat. Grab something to eat. The whole thing. is one whole expression. So that is it. That is what I want to tell you. So shall we go to the fifth one? I'm stuffed. Stuff. I'm stuffed means I cannot eat more. I'm full. That is, I'm stuffed. I eat too much. I'm completely full. If you are completely full, you could say I'm stuffed. Conversation. Want some dessert? No thanks, I'm stuffed. That means I'm full. Clear, yeah. Already? You ate so much? Yeah. That rice and curry was huge. Huge is really big. That rice and curry was huge. He ate a lot. So that is the reason. You understand the conversation. Want some dessert? Not dessert. No thanks, I'm stuffed. Already? I'm full. I'm stuffed means I'm full, yeah. The rice and curry was huge, yeah. I'm completely full. I'm stuffed means I'm completely full. But yeah, I'm stuffed. I'm completely full. You can say I'm completely full. I ate to my heart's content. Different things that you can say, but we are focusing on I am stuffed. Yeah, that is it. We are going to the fifth one, next one, integrating all these things in one conversation. Yeah. All these things that we have learned in one conversation, one set of dialogues. I'm starving. Shall you grab something to eat? I'm starving. Oh, shall you grab something to eat? Yeah. Yes, I could eat a horse, Macha. Try this kuttu. It's really filling. Try this kuttu. It's really filling. Yeah, it's really filling. It will make you full. So, yeah. Wow. I'm stuffed now. After eating, he would say, oh, wow, I'm stuffed now. I couldn't eat more. Yeah, that is it. That is the thing. So, one thing that you should understand is if you want to speak English language, you should listen to Total English. You should see how people produce language, how people make language. You understand, right? Without going to Sinhalese language. Clear, yeah. When you are listening to Sinhalese language thinking that it is English, it disturbs your flow. It disturbs your way of expressing your ideas. Yeah, you understand. If you want to be fluent, just go to English language so that you can understand, not language that you cannot understand. Now, I do believe for most of the people who are trying to speak English language, they understand this English. Why? The reason is this English is simple. I'm using really common words. If you understand this English, your English is good. You have that grammar. You have that vocabulary. Your English is really good. Don't worry. Your duty is, what you have to do is to go to Total English. Yeah. Subscribe, give us a like, and press the bell icon so that you will receive my video when I upload them. And most importantly, comment, subscribe, like.